everyone, how are you? I hope you all have a good time spending with your family. In the middle of this lockdown situation, I know you feel very difficult to do the household works. So, friends, today I am going to explain you about three important online mobile applications which are useful to handle your household works very smoothly, like paying the electricity bill, buying the groceries, and booking a cab to go out for any important works. And guess what? All you have to do is use your mobile internet to get things done by sitting in your home. Isn't it great, friends? So let me start explain the first app, that is Bescom. It is used to pay the electricity bills without the hassle of waiting in the queue. All you have to do is go to the Play Store in your mobile, type Bescom. Check the first one, click it, and it will ask you to download. After downloading it, you should open it. There comes the first page. If you see in the top right side corner, add account ID. If you click it, this is account registration. First of all, what is account ID? If you click this question mark, first one, here this is the sample electricity bill in which you will easily find out the account ID number in the red box. Go to backspace. Here I am entering the sample account ID number. Also, you have to enter the relationship in the third line. This is nothing but, are you the owner of that house or the tenant or rented member of the house? So I am just entering tenant, then search. See, you will get all the information, personal details of that ID number. Then add this. Again you go backspace. Here in the left side right corner, if you see the account ID. Now you want to pay the electricity bill now. Go for the option blue box, pay now. Here you will find the electricity amount, where in the outstanding amount as well as payment amount. Now it is showing 0 because we have already paid the amount. So in the payment of amount, for sample I am just entering some amount of ₹1000, then pay now. It will be directed to the next page, that is payment option. Here you can pay the electricity bill either through credit card, debit card or net banking. So why are you waiting, friends? Go to the Bescom app and find out your easiest way to pay the electricity bills. In this way you have to pay the electricity bill. Next, we'll go to the second app, that is Amazon. Again you have to go for Play Store, type Amazon, first option. See here, Amazon shopping, click it. It will also ask you to download. After downloading it, you should open it. Before ordering or buying any groceries here, first of all you have to register with your mobile number and also with your name. So here we need only two options in this, that is fresh and pantry. Fresh green colored icon. In this we will find out fresh vegetables, fruits, dairy products like milk, curd, etc. Whereas the second one, pink icon, if you click it, pantry, it will again ask you to select the categories. If you click it again, the categories, then you can find out all the groceries has been arranged. Now I want to order some of the cooking essentials, example atta. In this you have varieties of atta. I want to select Ashirwad atta, add to cart. Again go backspace, then packaged foods. Select packaged foods. In this I want to order one biscuit. packet, that is mom's magic. Add it, then again go backspace, household supplies, in which I want to select Tide. Now where I have to see my items here, if you see the right side top corner, 3 number is there, that is cart option. If you click that, you can see whatever the items which are selected by you, and also you can see the amount, right? See, so total amount here 1093 rupees. So you also have savings amount here, that's a great deal here. Yes, next, after selecting it, finalized it, then proceed to buy. So before buying it, you have to enter your personal information, that is including your address. This is for you to deliver the groceries to your home. Deliver to this address. I have just already entered it. Next, this is very important. This is choose a delivery option. Here actually Thursday free delivery they have mentioned it. Nothing but next Thursday they are going to deliver the groceries to my home, but that is the free delivery. For example, sometimes they will mention the time also. For example, Wednesday 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. That is nothing but next week Wednesday in the evening 3 and 4 p.m. Between 3 and 4 p.m. they are going to deliver the groceries to my home. Continue. After this, this is the main page. If you come down there, you can see the payment mode. Here same as like Bescom, you have either debit card or credit card or ATM card, net banking. One more excellent option here you have is EMI available, and also pay on delivery. So due to the lockdown situations, this EMI availability unavailable, and this pay on delivery they have been cancelled it. If you go for continue, then it will be going to the buying page. So friends, this is about buying the groceries through online. What are you waiting for then? Just go and buy some of your favorite groceries. Yes, next go for the third option or third app, that is Ola app. Here this Ola app, it is used to book the cab. Same as like go to the Play Store, type Ola, select the first one again. Here it will ask you to download it. After downloading, you should open the app. Same like Amazon, here also you have to register with the help of your mobile number and the name. Then it will go to the first page that contains pin location and enter drop location. Pin location is nothing but the exact location where you are now, that home location. Next, enter drop location. Enter drop location is nothing but this is the location where you want to go. For example, now drop location, I want to go Shanti bus terminus, Shantinagar. See, second one I selected it. See, the map is already showing you the Shantinagar where you want to go there. Immediately here this page will direct it to the cabs. Here basically you have different kinds of cabs like micro, mini, premium, sedan cars. This differs for each category. For example, you are alone, you can go either for micro or mini. If you are two or more than two, you can go for sedan, or if you have more luggage, you can go for sedan or premium, whatever you want. But the main thing here is cost differs. Cost differs for each category. To find out the cost per kilometer, or even to find out the cancellation charges, if you want to cancel it, go for my profile and see. If you go for rate card, there you will find all those things. Okay, now as you know, due to the lockdown situation, I mean like nothing is visible. Go back. Now for example, ride now and ride later options you have for the cab. Ride later in the sense after 1 hour or after maybe tomorrow morning, or after maybe 2 hours. If you want to go, you can book before itself, or right now, in the sense you want to go now after 15 minutes or 20 minutes, you can immediately select it. If you try to select this right now, then whatever the cars which are available near to your surroundings, they will be available in this map. Then select the cab driver, whoever is near to you. The selected cab driver will receive your request and accept it. The cab reaches your home in no time. I mean, they will mention the time also. Within the time, they will reach your home. So due to the lockdown situation, you are unable to see the cabs here. So in this way, you can easily book the cabs here. I hope this information is useful to you and your family members. So stay home, stay safe. Bye.